Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to get money in your PayPal account. So the process is really simple and easy. And without wasting any more time, let's get started. So first thing you have to do is open the PayPal app. So let's do that. Now, once you're in the app, there are many options to get money in your PayPal account. But in this video, I'll show you only two methods. So the first one is at the bottom. You can see send and request button. By using these buttons, you can send and get money by entering their email address and invoice. You won't be able to see this on my screen due to security reasons, but after entering the amount, you need to click on send payment and the receiver would get a message. So the second method is by clicking on the account button on the top right corner. Now what you have to do is click on your username, and after clicking on the username, you'll get a link. And after sending this link to someone, let me show you what they will get after clicking on the link. So as you can see, it'll redirect that person to this page. Basically, that person can send me money by clicking on send. And that's it, guys. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.